Hey guys, and welcome back to 7 Cool Teens! Woo! So I'm Lindsay, and I'm your Saturday on 7 Cool Teens. I want to welcome 2 new members to our 7 Cool Teens family. Carly120 and Angela from Karaoke Cotton. Congratulations, you guys, for being in 7 Cool Teens, and we're gonna have so much fun with you guys here. Carly120, your videos are awesome, and Angela, you're almost like a old member of 7 Cool Teens. I'm gonna call you an old new member of 7 Cool Teens. So welcome back. So this week's kind of, theme was you could dress crazy. So I think I'm pretty much good with dressing crazy. I have my ice blue checkered Vans, my periodic table socks, my neon purple tights and jean shorts, and a cool 80s type shirt, and my glasses, a necklace, and some bracelets. And I also have these rubber band animal bracelets. Our school is like crazy about them, and like everyone like loves these things. Comment below if you know a person or your school is like crazy about animal rubber band bracelets. I have a duck. I have a rabbit, bunny rabbit. I have a cat, a dog, and that's all of them. It's not even funny how happy I am that we're back. Everyone was like, oh, what happened to 7 Cool Teens? Like, what happened to it? It seemed like did you die or something? Is the channel gone? No, the channel's not gone. We just had a really long break. And I'm so glad to be back for an amazing spring and summer with my 7 Cool Teens family. So I was talking to my friend Carly, as she said on her Monday video. But I was talking to her, and we can't believe how when we were gone, we gained a lot of subscribers, and now we're at 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. So right now, I'm going to give all of you guys a big hug. That was cool. I told her that I would do the reject in this video, so I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to reject on out of here. Bye guys, and welcome back 7 Cool Teens. The sun is up, the sky is blue, it's beautiful. And so are you, but I don't know you. The siren.